Hello everyone, I'm making this video because I have learned some phrases today and I believe these phrases are very much useful in our daily life. So I really want to share these phrases with you all. That's why I'm making this video. So here I go. So this is the first phrase, which is known as broke. Normally we know that broke is nothing but the past tense of break, but here it is having another meaning, which means you don't have any money. For example, you want to go for shopping but you don't have money, so for that you need to borrow some money from someone. So I have written an example here that I am broke, so I need to borrow some money from dad, which means that I don't have any money, so for that I need to take some money from my dad. Coming to the second phrase, it is written drop someone a line. Okay, it means that sending a message, sending a quick message to someone, or you are sending an email to someone. For example, you are having a friend and you are going to meet him at a particular place. So normally we say कि inform me when you will reach that place or call me when you will reach that place. But instead of these things, you can use this phrase. For example, I have written over here, drop me a line when you will come such that we can catch up. Catch up means to meet. The third phrase is to know something like the back of your hand. It means that you know something extremely well or you are an expert in that thing. For example, one of your friend, he has come to your hometown to visit that place and you want to show off that you know everything of your city. So I have written down an example here. You can say like this: I know my city like the back of my hand. It means that you know everything of your city. 4 is to bite off more than one can chew. First of all, I want to make it clear, it doesn't mean that you have taken so many stuffs in your mouth and you are not able to chew. It doesn't mean that. It means to take up more work than you can actually manage. It means that you are having so much responsibilities but you are not able to manage that, maybe because of less time or maybe because of any other reason. Okay, so for example, I have written over here, John can't say no to his boss and he has bitten off more than he can chew. It means that John can't say no to his boss. His boss has given so many responsibilities to him, but because of less time or maybe because of any other reason, he is not able to do that. Number 5 is fill in for someone. It means to do someone's work when he or she is absent. For example, you are working in an office, so obviously in office you are having many colleagues. Say one of your colleague, he or she has taken a leave. So I have written an example here. He won't be available for few days, so fill in for him. It means that he will not be available for few days. Maybe he has taken a leave. So now it is your responsibility to complete his work. Number 6, in ages. It means for a very long time. For example, you are having a friend and you have met him or her after so many years. So obviously you will be very much excited. So at that time, you can use this sentence: I have not seen you in ages. How have you been? It means that I haven't seen you for many years. How are you? How have you been means how are you? Number 7, cut it out. It means stop doing something which is annoying. For example, you are having a friend and he is doing something which annoys you very much. For example, he is singing which annoys you. So I have written down, I don't like your singing, cut it out. It means I don't like your singing, just stop it because it's very much annoying. So these were the 7 phrases which I have learned today, and I found it very much useful for our daily users. That's why I have shared these phrases with you all. So if you like this video, just share and subscribe. Okay, thank you.